Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make this type of PowerPoint templates in just 3 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me open up a blank PowerPoint template, go to table and insert a table of 6 by 4. What I'm going to do is put it on top left corner and I'm just going to increase it till the right bottom corner. I'm going to make sure that its shaded area shading is colored to black. And then what I'm gonna do is go to borders and I'm gonna click on remove all borders or no borders. So we're gonna change the pen color to white. I'm gonna select these four right here, these four rectangles right here, and what I'm gonna do is go to shading. Here we go, and I'm just gonna change this color to whatever the color I want, and we're gonna do the same for all of these. So what I'm going to do is basically remove the color from these four rectangles and I'm going to insert my image and then send it to the back. Right click on it and send it to the back after cropping it to 16:9. So this is how our template looks like right now. What I'm going to do is change the color of this outline that we have. First of all, let me increase its width. I'm going to go to borders and click on remove all borders. And from here we're gonna change the pen color to whatever the color we want. First of all, let me change the color of my entire template and these tables. After that, what I'm gonna do is just give it a color that I find suitable, and we're gonna go back to the pen color, change it to pink and go to border, and we're gonna click on like the outline. You can also change the outlines design from here. Next, what we're gonna do is go and click on no borders and then go to give it a horizontal border and give it a vertical border. So we go here, make sure that you select all of the table and not just one part of this table, one row or one column or one cell. So I'm gonna insert my text right here, increase its size, change its font. The font I'm gonna use is named Aharoni font. Let me just increase its size till we have it visible right here. You can also change its outline and you can also change its shadow. Let me give it a shadow. Go to text effect and go to shadow, and I'm gonna give it the second number shadow. You can also change the line spacing from here, but that is way too much work, so I'm just gonna send it to the back. And what I'm gonna do is just move my image a bit up after sending it to the front and then send it to the back. Click on the image, go to crop, and from here I'm manually gonna crop my image till it is in my template and I can see the buildings. Next, I'm just gonna insert my text and change the background. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.